Architecture involves 6 processes. The first one is to maintain the existing knowledge of the IS. This involves mapping the existing system. It provides a comprehensive overview and allows us to analyse the impacts of each project on the overall architecture. The second process is to define and promote the use of architectural standards. These are the principles to be applied to ensure the IS are sustainable and scalable. You may think that this is an unnecessary constraint. On the contrary, standards are used to ensure interoperability between global information systems. They're also used to pool the solutions implemented within the group. For instance, open source solutions that we are very likely to use are based on Internet standards. Similarly, we use many other standards, external standards as well as standards that are specific to SG, which are found in the Green Book. As an example, responsive design and big data are part of external standards, while SG Store is a Société Générale standard, or even SKIES is an IBFS standard. Third process, define the IS strategy once a year, laid out in a formal IT master plan. Fourth essential process, apply architectural practice to projects. This aims to ensure that projects are properly aligned with master plans and that architectural standards are correctly applied according to the implementation roadmap. This control is validated during an architecture committee involving all the stakeholders of the project. The committee approves together one of the solutions described in the committee supporting presentation, as well as the architecture section. For example, Rosbank's Converging Data Warehouse Project Architecture Committee was able to validate the choices of infrastructure with the group's various experts. The fifth process is to drive, promote, and facilitate the practice of architecture. Sixth and final process, to be state-of-the-art in architecture, i.e., to stay tuned to the market and trends in terms of technology and architecture. In 2016, this monitoring led to the adoption of emerging technologies within our IS, and thus ultimately to creating a value for the company. For example, we are currently examining the emergence of bots and how they can be used in our business. At the same time, we are closely monitoring developments in areas such as the Internet of Things or artificial intelligence to be constantly in touch with new trends. So, we need to work together, headquarters and subsidiaries, information system and business, to develop our IS architecture and organise our combined efforts to meet the challenges ahead.